Welcome. My name is Leah O'Connell. I'm a corporate recruiter with American Public University System. You're joining me in my home office to talk about LinkedIn. This tutorial is designed to help you learn more about how you can not only improve your LinkedIn profile, but your LinkedIn experience. We're going to talk about how to engage in the platform, how to improve your profile, what recruiters are looking for, and how to make LinkedIn part of your professional advancement strategy so you can meet your goals. This tutorial will be in a series, so you can take it in small bites. I recommend, as we go through the different parts of your profile, to have your own LinkedIn profile pulled up so you can work on that section as we go through it. Remember, LinkedIn is an investment, so it's something you're going to have to do over time. It's like any other social media site where you need to engage to get the benefit of it. So get ready, get excited. We're going to start talking about LinkedIn.